Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload high quality videos to Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now, I think you'll be happy to hear that you don't have to do pretty much anything except to actually upload the videos of high quality that you already have. For example, I have these tutorial videos, or rather this one that I'm currently recording, since my other ones are in a different folder. But yeah, what you're going to need to do is just upload the video. For example, if you have a 4K video, you just upload it into Google Drive, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you get scared by actually trying to preview the video in Google Drive and it turns out 360p, 720p, 1080p, that is because Google Drive is still processing the footage, and the thing is a problem only with playback. If you download the video again and play it again, it'll still be high quality, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, of course, you cannot turn the quality up in Google Drive. The video already has to be of a high quality, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.